Welcome back. Stick, bow, lathi, vati. These are the names given to these things and how to rotate them. Rotating in different direction. We are going to show two of the major rotation used in Indian martial arts like Kalaripayat. Two of the main one like this and like this. Maybe you will understand. Demonstrating how to do them step by step. Come on. So before moving to two sticks and handling two hands in different directions at the same time, you have to master the single one. माने दो से पहले एक वाला सीख नहीं, एक से पहले दो होते कोई बात नहीं, पहले एक सीखना. तो ये ले लो. Just revising. What is the movement? Move over here like this. 1, 2, X, 1, 2, X, 1, 2, and now we'll move back. 3, 4. जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है वो सबसे पहले आधा डंडा लें. इसका आधा ले, इसका आधा लो. ये आधा ले लिया. ये X, this is half. For those who cannot understand, for the sake of convenience to study, we will take a half stick. 1, 2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the moment. 1, 2. Continue. 3, 4. माने X बना लिया. Right से left, left से right, left bottom से right up, left bottom to right up. Continue. See, can you see that? 1, 2, right? 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And that has to be continued. See, continue. And our movement will start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. This itself we have to practice with a long stick. Hold in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. This is the part. Imagine as a sword. रामलीला में खेलते थे ना बचपन में लेके जाते हैं. Yes, Sri Ram, that one. Because we have a lot of experience in the sword fighting as children, so we will understand the sword concept better. Imagine this sword and ignore this. See, sword. X, X. Continue. 1, 2, and continue. So this is what we have to do using both hands. Same. 1, 2, X. Opposite direction 2. See, sword. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming to double sticks after mastering the single one, what you have to do is imagine this is not there. See, X, same thing, X, move back, opposite X. This one was in downwards. ये नीचे की तरफ था और ये ऊपर की तरफ बना रहे हैं, है कि नहीं? तो ऐसे ही करना दोनों हाथों से. राइट में ये बना लिया, ये राइट बन गया. This is the right one and the left one. See, downwards, drawing the X downwards and then moving up, up and up, right? These have to happen simultaneously. तो एक साथ कैसे आएगा? Practice से आएगा. हाँ, you have to practice. So, all I can show you right now is 1. See, when this one is in forward, this one is in action in the front direction. ये जब सामने घूम रहा होगा, ये पीछे वाले का काम करेगा. ये देखो, ये X in upper direction, and this is an X in lower direction. See, downward X and upper X. Downward X and upper X. Downward, upper, downward, upper, downward, downward, upper. Yeah. माने कैसे करना है? ये देख लो. ये आगे से नीचे राइट वाला, उसी टाइम में ये आएगा. ये कैसे आएगा? बहुत सारी जब प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे तो बिना देखे. अभी ध्यान अगर आगे वाले पे है फिर भी पीछे वाला घूम रहा है कि नहीं? So unknowingly you will fall into a place where you are doing both of them in the correct manner. Now for the second rotation, you might have seen it is something happening like this. So what is it? First we will master it in single hand. So single hand, take one stick. This is easier. No, this one. This is better. Better if you understand it with a smaller stick, because we better understand the concept of the sword. So imagine this is a sword, right? ये नीचे से लेके जाएंगे. ये डंडा 1, 2, right? ये जाएगा नीचे से. Like this, 1 and come back. This is the main thing. See, from back, you have to cover this. As if someone is attacking from the back, you have to block, right? Block. Same thing. 1 and block. An attack coming from front. Oh, block. See? So, 1 and 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How to change grip? See? 1 and 2. Simple. Right? 1 and 2. Right? 1 and 2. It's simple. But how to continue this? 1, 2. Now it is over here like this. This is the back side. Just twist, make an X, right? 1, twist, right? 1, twist. Again, continue. 1, 2, twist. Continue. 1, 2, twist. Continue. 1. After mastering this one, you can hold it in the center, and the same thing can be done. 1, 2, twist. Continue. 1, 2, twist. Continue. That is the same thing happening in the big stick. Just imagine this one. Ignore this part, right? Block from back, block from front. Change grip. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Right. विद द सेम कंसेप्ट, सेम चीज़ लगानी, सेम चीज़ राइट हैंड आई मीन लेफ्ट हैंड से भी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो ये राइट हैंड से ऐसे आया, लेफ्ट हैंड से ऐसे गया, राइट लेफ्ट हैव टू हैपन कंटिन्यूसली आई मीन साइमल्टेनियसली बोथ एट द सेम टाइम. So after practice you can get this also right. See, this is left one, nothing, just the left one, right, along with right. So now we study 2 ones. See, 1 and the 2, right? So this is our small 2 stick swinging, लाठी घुमाना, 2 तरीके से. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press that bell icon.